Welcome back guys. In the previous video you learned channel setting upload and you learned all these setting for YouTube channel. In this lecture we will learn how to create Google Analytics ID. So first of all go to Google and type Google Analytics here. As you see Google Analytics, and you see that we have here on the first. So click on Google Analytics and it will redirect you to Google Analytics, and here you can sign up for free setup for free. So click on this. So here we have this setting here, and as you see account setup, account detail, account name required. So first we will add account name. So we will enter so we have enter PC installation, and check all these boxes and click on next. And here it asks for measure your website, understand where you user are coming from, and turn data into insights. So here we have apps and web, and we have to select web because we want to use this for web. So click on web and click on next, and here you say see the website name. So we will add, so we have entered the PC installation, our YouTube channel name, and here we have to put website URL. So here you see that we will go to our software, and we will go to our channel and click on your channel, and here you have to copy the link from here and paste it here. Value is required, so paste it here, and the default URL is in world. So we will cut the HTTPS because we have already here. So cut this, and then go to industry category, select one. So here we have to select our category, that what our website or channel is for, what purposes or how we can use it. So select one: art and entertainment, automotive, beauty and fitness, and computer electronics, hobbies, home, guardian, internet and telecom. So you can use this one, but news, online communities, we will select online communities because we want to select online communities. Here you can select your zone and you can search. So I have selected my country. Here you can country time and click on create. So Google Analytics terms and service agreement. So you have to read all these service and agreement. Click on I also accept, and go down and click on I also accept this term and agreement. If you want to read, you can read all this agreement. Click on I accept. One or more field contain invalid data, please fix and submit again. So URL must not contain a query. So I will fix it. So I have fixed that. I will show you that what I removed from that. Check all these boxes and click on no thanks. So copy your channel address from here. Copy this address and paste it there. Then it will give you no error. Do not copy this area too. Just copy this address from here to so we have created this analytics ID, and here we have this ID, tracking ID. We will copy this tracking ID to our YouTube channel. So copy this ID from here, tracking ID, and go to your YouTube channel and paste this ID here as you see, and click on save. So as you see, we have successfully added Google Analytics tracking ID for our YouTube channel, and now when we upload something to YouTube, Google will rank it, and you can also see your information here. But we have no data in our YouTube channel. But when you upload data, you can use you can see everything here. We have the home, and here is our website customization real time. So it will show you real time user. Now I will go to my YouTube channel, and it will show me that one user is active right now. So when I refresh it, it will show me that one user is active. But it will take a little time to get data from your website. As you see that here, we see that active user right now is 1 because I am inside in my channel. So it will show you active user and all detail about your keywords, your videos, and everything here, your channel, country, and everything will be shown here. You can see here. So you can control your, you can see your you can see your YouTube channel detail here, and also you can add your website here, and you can see everything here. So I hope you understand that how to create Google Analytics ID for your channel, and I will show you again if you you have any problem. First go to Google Analytics here. First I will sign out from here, and then I will go to Google Analytics ID again. So you have to sign in with your email ID, because without that you can't create it. So we have already created this Gmail ID. I will create this new Gmail ID, and I will sign in with my this Gmail ID. So I am creating a new Google Analytics ID with my new Gmail address, just for telling you that how we can create it how to create tracking ID. So it's loading, and but I have already account here, and as you see that I have already created account. But I told you that how we can create Google tracking ID and how to add it here. So in the next video we will learn on channel, dashboard, video playlist, analytics, command, subtitle, monetization, and audio library. So see you on the next video.